I don't care what you did in the past. I only care about today and the future.
When you come to a prison setting, you basically lose everything.
To get away from the anxiety, the stresses of everyday life, and then you could come here and we get treated like normal people.
We are educating currently incarcerated inmates, and they are here to get new credentials, some new classes, so they can participate in the workforce.
I never thought about coming to school.
This type of a program can change lives. It can and it will. They realize that we are more than just an inmate or more than just somebody sitting in prison. It gives you an upbeat attitude. It changes your mindset about, yeah, I can finally show somebody what I can do.
It's given me a new start.
I mean, it gives us all a lot of hope and everything. You know, it definitely opens up the future for us.
You can either go back and do the same thing you were doing and waste more of your life, or you can take that next step, continue on in the field that you were trained in, and try to become a better person.
They show up every day, they're eager to learn, they're willing to soak in everything I have to give them, and they ask for more reading and more homework.
I could teach a group like this all day, every day.
They're some of the best students that I've had in all of my teaching.
And this is by far the best use of money and time I have seen the DOC get involved with.
Now I got the chance to actually get a technical certificate and do something with it.
Today is a win-win for all in this room and society as a whole.
We believe here at NWTC that every student has worth.
Your success is our success. A great day, an opportunity for you graduates and for your friends and families to celebrate what you have done.
I say it again, today is a win-win. Positive can come from negative experiences in life. And not only are they positive, but life-changing if given the opportunity. It took a lot of hard work and focus and dedication to achieve this certificate here today. This whole program and approach screams success and positive energy and productivity, and the world needs more of it. But the door needs to be made available for the betterment of people in society. Again, we say thank you for recognizing the human condition and that our past bad decision or choice is not the end for us. And it does not define who we are, and it certainly does not reveal what our full potential is.
It's opened up a future I never thought existed, so it gives a lot of hope and a lot of dream.
This is a great way to come back into society, and I would think society would welcome that.
Walking out and knowing that I can get a job, it's a big opportunity, huge.
It's a life changer.
It isn't the end because we made a bad choice. Our potentials are certainly, as human beings, are far greater.